Vectorworks AI Visualizer, powered by Stable Diffusion, is a game changer for your creative process. It offers unmatched opportunities in the visualization of designs. By harnessing artificial intelligence, this technology elevates your creativity, streamlines your workflows, and delivers captivating designs like never before. The versatility of the AI Visualizer makes it a valuable tool, from initial concept generation to final product delivery. The AI Visualizer tool is an innovative feature that eliminates the need for additional hardware or costly graphics cards. The AI images are processed on Vectorworks Cloud Services, ensuring that individual hardware limitations do not impact performance. This means that you can work on your project uninterrupted while images are generated, and private information is protected. Let's dive into the AI Visualizer. You can open it from the Model menu. This simply and yet powerful window helps you explore amazing concepts. Here is your image description or prompt, your dynamic settings, and your output options. You have the option of starting your journey by typing a prompt in this field. Think of this area as your assistant. Perhaps you like to envision a watercolor of a new coffee shop in the suburbs, or a new office complex next to the water drafted with a unique type of sketch. Or maybe a futuristic apartment building in the style of a renowned design movement. The possibilities are infinite. But this form of image creation is not only for inspiration or visualization. In no time, you'll be creating images for textures, render backgrounds, and useful silhouettes that could be converted into image props. But the real power of AI Visualizer rests on directly interacting with Vectorworks as a source. For example, these twisted geometries can be the inspiration of a beautiful crystal set or a new university campus in the mountains. Pencil sketches or 2D line work can be transformed into astonishing villas. Simply gray shaded interiors can be turned into amazing set designs. Hidden line perspectives could be the base of an inspired courtyard. And the same goes to point clouds. The potential is endless. You can further refine the output with additional controls. The negative prompt feature allows you to fine-tune your image by describing what you want the AI Visualizer to avoid or omit. The creativity slider lets you adjust the level of inventiveness you will see in the generated image compared to the original Vectorworks view. Think of this setting as how much you want the AI to draw outside of the lines. When set to 0, the AI closely follows the forms and lines of the original image. Here's the same prompt, but with a creativity level of 25%. And here it is set to 100. Be sure to adjust the creativity slider based on your specific need. If you're looking for ideas or variations on a theme, you might set the slider to a higher creativity level. If you're looking for smaller variations, such as a change of material in an existing image, you will set a very low creativity level. If you like the latest output from the AI Visualizer and you want to change your view, just check the box for Generate Similar option. Having generated the image, you have the option to upscale the image resolution to 4K. You can save the image to a file destination of your choice. You can copy the image to your clipboard to paste it directly to where you want to use it. Or you can bring the image in as a bitmap object directly into Vectorworks. The image can be placed on either a design layer or a sheet layer. The possibilities are endless with Vectorworks AI Visualizer tool at your fingertips. You will find that you can quickly generate images to explore design options from massive models and big picture ideas down to material selection or furniture placement. We invite you to join the Vectorworks community forum, post your images, share your prompts, tips and tricks, and find new inspirations.